So this is where I work. I have this table that I bought from Taobao for like $100, and it's a manual cranking standing desk. Let me show you how it works. So every morning I will actually adjust my table height to the max so that I can use it standing. And to do that, I need to do the manual crank. It takes a while, no, not that long. Maybe less time today. Okay, starts now. Yeah, but this is the max, and it took me just 27 seconds. So that's not the issue with this table. I'm very fine with manual cranking. To me, it's not actually that slow. The problem is that this height is not good. When I bought this table, I didn't know that the height at max is just 90 cm, and that is a problem. If you're just standing for a while, it's actually pretty fine. Use your keyboard. You can adjust, monitor, tilt it, and you can see it. Looking at the screen is fine, but it's the keyboard. This is actually slightly lower than what is optimal. My most natural height would be here. So what I always do is that I have to go and get a few boxes to adjust the height to a desired height. So after using this for 1 year plus, I've decided to change to one that can extend all the way to 120 cm. So I've bought that new standing desk. I'm going to move this out, and then I'm going to assemble the new one here. We are now done with the accessories and stuff, the simple one. Now time for the column. Just to go in and rotate, okay, until that is locked into place. Secure this. Change the 4 screws. Nothing special about this. Close it. Yep. That's done. Power on. So let's try. Whoa, this height, great. Wow, great. This is pretty excellent. I like it. Okay, and then I think if you want to set, if this is my standing height, I have to press this for 3 seconds. 2, 3. And this is a 5-1. That means it's saved. Wow, good, nice. I think I just need to sort out the cables here, and it's great.